Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Vivian. If you're new here, please subscribe to my channel, push the notification bell on so you never miss any video I post out here. And today I will show you how to do a zigzag parting. I've developed this design by myself a few years ago and I posted a video here on YouTube and you can check it out. It's from I think 2013, but many of you asked me if I could redo it again so you can see exactly how I do it. And if you have any question, please comment down below in the comment section and I will get back to you. So I will try to explain it as easy as possible so you understand how to do it, how I do it, and how fast, effective that is. Yes? First you brush the hair. Brush the hair. And then you're going to decide where you want to have the parting. So the zigzag parting, for example, I want to have it on the side, so I'm gonna brush the hair where I want to have the zigzag parting backward, so more into me, yes? Then you're gonna take a comb. I will choose the wider side of the comb because that's what it makes it easy to do the zigzag. So like I said before, we are having it on the side, the zigzag parting. You're gonna brush or you're gonna comb that section. I will say you're gonna take about maybe 2 centimeter wide section and then you're gonna like comb it again, separate from the other hair. Separate that from the rest of the hair. Just gonna lay down the one. Let me turn so you can see. So you're gonna comb it and then you're gonna I'll turn it this way so you're gonna go and then take the comb. Take the comb, the beginning point of your comb, and then hold that section in your left hand. If you're left-handed, have it in your right hand, and then with the other hand, you're gonna point the comb on the head, and you're gonna go like vertical on the head, and then you still keep that tight in your hand, not too tight, not too smooth. Just hold it so you're not gonna lose it. You will need it afterward. So you're gonna put the comb and you're gonna go left, right, left, right, left, right. As you see, when I'm doing this, I'm not going too far down, not too far up. If you do that, you can do that, but then you're gonna have bigger, wider zigzag parting. If you go shorter, like if you go faster, you're gonna have smaller zigzag parting. So it depends how you like it for that day, but usually I go for the medium size, so that's perfect. And then after, you're gonna stop before the crown and make sure you're gonna separate the hairs. So the one we had in our left hand and the one are in the comb. You see that? So you're gonna separate that. Make sure it's separated perfectly. And then I prefer long hair to brush it, so I'm gonna brush the hair down. Make sure all the hair is perfect, sit wherever you want it, down perfectly. And this is it. This is how I do the zigzag parting. Many of you asked me to do it. Make sure you comb the brush or you brush the crown backward and then like this. This is the medium size I will use. So it depends how you like it, but this is usually, if you have your hair loose, it's better to have it a bit bigger or medium. If you have it tight and you want to do like plaits or different, or you want to do 2 ponytails, I will go for the smaller one, much better. And if you have roots, this helps a lot to cover the roots, so when you do the zigzag parting, you're not gonna see the roots so much. So yes, so this is me, Vivian. Thank you for watching. Give it a thumb up, subscribe to my channel, and push the notification bell on so you never miss any video I post out here. Thank you for today. See you next video. Bye bye. Ciao.